December 31st, 2025, the last day of the year. Next year will be 2026, which means this car needs a deep clean so we get a fresh start into the new year. So let's get to cleaning. Trunk is pretty dirty, you can see it. All this dust from cat litter, cat hair, all on the back seats. So we're gonna come in with the vacuum and just clean all this up. So in the spare tire well of the 86, it actually has a tire pump in case anything happens, and I leave my C-clamp in here as well as my breaker bar because they don't fit in my toolbox. And they fit perfectly right here. And this is the front plate mount if your state requires a front plate. Mine doesn't. This is take the lugs off if I don't have my tools. That comes with the car. This is a tow hook. I don't know why I would be towing this car, but nice to have. Comes with a screwdriver too. Another little weird but also cool feature about the 86 is that there are back seats, but if you look here, there's a little foot mat for the back seat. Probably will never get used because your feet can't even fit in the gap of the back seat, but it's a nice little feature to have that they included with the car. Car, as you can see, very dirty on the outside. See all the watermarks on the windows. Definitely due for a deep clean and a wash. This is how I fit, by the way, if I were to sit in the back seat of the 86. So the car is all cleared out. The glove box is empty. I have the vacuum here. Let's get to cleaning. The one thing that the vacuum couldn't pick up is all this cat hair. So I have this tool right here, and this should just pick everything up smoothly. So let's try it out. After a little bit of scraping, we have all the cat hair right here. Not too bad, not fully out, but hair is like one of the worst things to get out of any type of carpet. But I did as good as I can with the scraper. I might come in with the vacuum again just to finish all this up, get more of this out by the seat. Scraper did pretty well, got a lot out, and it worked exactly how I wanted it to work. So I have a rag, and we're just gonna go in and wipe down all these surfaces. So we got all the vacuuming done. Let's go ahead and start rinsing the car down. So we rinse all the cars off. Now it's time to get this thing soapy. The 86 is all clean. You can see the rear windshield, no more dirt spots on it. Tail light had all those spots too. Duckbill, everything else is just super clean. Finished up cleaning the 86 full interior and exterior last day of 2025. Off to a great start for the new year. And if you're watching this, I hope your new year has been off to a great start. All that being said, I will see you in the next video.